If you have ever installed Node.js for one project only to discover that another project need a completely different version, you already know how annoying that can be. You might think you need to install Node.js and install another version every time, but you don't. In this video, I'll show you how to install NVM on Windows, install multiple Node.js version, switch between them in seconds. By the end of this video, you will be able to use different Node.js version for different project without consistently reinstalling Node.js. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Alright, before we install anything, let's quickly understand what NVM actually does. NVM stands for Node Version Manager. Its job is simple. It lets you install and manage multiple versions of Node.js on the same computer. For example, imagine you have one project that requires Node.js 18, another project that uses Node.js 20, and a newer project that works best with Node.js 24. Without a version manager, switching between these versions can become a headache. So with NVM, you can install those versions once and switch between them whenever you need with a simple command. Okay, so before installing the NVM, we need to uninstall our current Node.js version if you have, so that we don't have any kind of conflict between our installed Node.js version and the NVM Node.js version. Alright, to uninstall Node.js from your system, simply go to Control Panel and click Uninstall Program, and then search for Node.js. Click Uninstall, say yes to uninstall, and then again say yes. Your Node.js will be uninstalled from your system completely. To verify it, simply open a terminal and then type Node-B again. You will see nothing in here. After uninstalling Node.js from your system, now open your browser and search for official NVM-Windows GitHub repository. You will find this link. Click it and it will open a GitHub repository. So from the repository, head over to the release section and click latest release. So scroll down a little bit and click nvm setup.exe to download it. Once download is completed, open it. During installation, just follow the setup wizard using the default setting. Click finish. To test NVM is installed correctly, open a new terminal and type NVM version and press enter. If you see a version number, NVM is ready. Now let's install our first Node.js version. To install latest LTS release, type nvm install LTS. It will download the latest LTS Node.js version. Although we install Node.js on our system, but if you see, when I'm checking Node.js version, it won't give me any type of version. In order to use this Node.js version, we need to tell NVM that use this Node.js version in our system. We need to type NVM use and then the version number of the Node.js. To install a specific version of Node.js, simply type nvm install followed by the version number like nvm install 20.11.0 and press enter. Once it finishes installing, let's run nvm list again. Now we have two Node.js version available. If we want to switch to our new version, type nvm use 20.11.0. Let's verify by typing node-v, and as you can see, our active version updated instantly. If you ever want to switch back to your previous version, just type nvm use followed by the version number. Now if you want to remove a Node.js version from your system, type nvm uninstall followed by the version number. In my case, I will delete 20.11.0. If we check nvm list one more time, you can see it completely removed, leaving us with just one version. That's all for this video. If you found helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more developer tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.